completed BCA in 2022 from Global Institute of Management Sciences. Then, and I hope you guys know, there is a process called incubation in Pyspiders. I was an incubation student, so I don't know how many of you are from incubation here, but I paid ₹0 to Pyspiders. And I started Pyspiders as soon as my college got over. Then I took around 5 to 6 months placements from Ishan sir, Rahul sir, as well as SQL sir, Hemant sir, and all. Then once I got good interviews in mock from Python, Ishan sir. After that, I got around 3 interviews. Around 4 actually rejected. First round I was rejected, but I don't know what happened in the sense. Only the first top 10 students were taken, and rest of were sent home. And I was amongst those who were sent home. Once I came back home after 4 days, they called me after looking my profile and my answers. So yeah, then I got my second round scheduled. I cleared it. So with a package of 7.3 LPA. So see.